Hey there, you're welcome to Mental Maths TV. So today in this video, I'll be teaching you how to simplify fractions with different denominators. It's quite easy, stay put and learn. Now question number 1 says 1 over 3 plus 2 over 9. How do we solve that? You need to ask yourself a simple question. Can 9 divide 3 without any remainder? If your answer is yes, then our least common multiple, known as the LCM, becomes 9. That is because 9 divided by 3 is 3. So our LCM becomes 9. 9 divided by 3 is what? 3. 3 multiplied by 1 is 3. You add your operation sign, which is addition sign. 9 divided by 9 is 1. And 1 multiplied by 2 is 2. Therefore, our final answer is 3 plus 2, which is 5, all over 9. Now let's move to question number 2. We have 2 over 10 plus 4 over 5. Yes, 10 can be divided by 5, and that is 2 without any remainder. Therefore, our LCM becomes 10. 10 divided by 10 is 1. 1 multiplied by 2 is 2. We add our addition sign. 10 divided by 5 is 2. 2 multiplied by 4 is 8. Therefore, we have 2 plus 8, which is 10, all over 10. 10 divided itself, which is 1. Now it's your turn. Solve this. While at it, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel at Mental Maths TV. We'll be giving you more simple hacks on how to solve mathematical problems. Thank you.